Hey guys, I hope your day is going well. So today I decided to drop in and give you guys an epic fail video. Okay, so y'all, this is all the stuff that they sent me. Everything that you see in this initial part of the video, everything they sent me. Those are all the instructions on that pink paper inside the nail things. It's all the instructions that I got. I don't know how to use any of these things. So here you see me trying something I saw in another video. Was to basically put it on top of my nail first and then add whatever I wanted to be in my nail on top of that. I have some gold leaf flakes that I've been dying to use on my nails, so that's what I'm gonna try out with this product. I already have my reservations at this point of how this is gonna go down, but let's see. Let's just see what's gonna happen. You get like 10 different sizes of nails, and I already sized mine. But to be honest, I already don't like how opaque this clear liquid looking from the get-go. So let's see. So I'm assuming that this UV nail lamp already comes with its own timing because it cuts off on its own. So I left it in there in the amount of time that it cut off on its own. So in the other DIY video, they basically flip their nail over and finish putting the clear liquid in their nail on the other side. Things are starting to get real right here, guys. This is the little spreader thing that came with the kit, and as I start to spread it on there, the nail pops out because the liquid is so thick. So now I'm just gonna try it the way that they showed me in the video during the Facebook advertisement. Yes, I got this off of one of those Facebook advertisements. It was the pandemic, guys. A lot of us were ordering things offline, trying new things because we were bored. That's what happened to me. And by the way, before y'all said I cleaned my nails, I even used nail polish remover to get all the oil and stuff off my nails before this happened. Okay, girl, I finally got somewhere. Let's see where this gonna go. This stuff right here smells like UV resin, but I don't know if you put it on the UV lamp or you let it air dry or what. But I did put it on the UV lamp and it still didn't do nothing, so it must need the air dry. I don't know. I'm starting to feel myself now, y'all. I think I know what I'm doing by now. Okay, right here, girl, I thought I was doing something. I got it on the first try this time. I was like, okay. This nail in particular was really cute. This is my nail drill I got from Target, along with another nail care kit that included those clippers. So I thought I was really doing something right here. This is where it all just shot to hell. I mean, like, forget it. I went to just peeling off all the nails. They was easily come out. They weren't even gonna last that long. I couldn't even wash no dishes with these nails. The thumb peeled off easier than this finger. So what I'm just gonna basically say about this review, I'm not gonna totally hold the company responsible. I really didn't know what I was doing, but at the same time, I needed some instruction. And at the same time, this stuff peeled off fast. So I'm just gonna resort back to the old method. Just throw on the classic fake nails, sis. You got this. I hope to see you guys next week. Next week, I'll be doing a hot glue Barbie as promised.